Hi, today I'll be reviewing a hygiene product which is a shampoo called the Pantene Pro V. Pantene has been a really successful company in the recent years and even before. It's known of putting out high quality products such as shampoos, shower gels, and all other sort of beauty products, and this specific brand and product has won multiple prizes for being getting the most innovation in shampoos. And to be honest, it's really truly one of my favorite shampoos I ever used, and I give a lot of damn about my hair. I do care a lot about my hair, and I have a pretty long hair too, and so it matters to me what shampoo I use because it really gets greasy easily. I hate it when it's sticky and disgusting and it looks horrible. So I decided to dedicate some little extra funds to a good shampoo. Therefore, I found the Pantene Pro V. And, to be honest, I'm still dazzled by how effective and how smooth my hair becomes after using this product. And let's just take a little tour so I can introduce you to what's going on here. Alright, so as you can see, the bottle itself has a very exclusive and kind of elegant, luxurious look, which makes it, feel like you're using something expensive. You're using something really like top notch product, and that's what Pantene is going for. With also this silver design here. It's almost looks like some sort of jewelry. At the same time, it's not too much. It's very elegant, portable. I bought the 20-ounce package because when you buy a shampoo, when I buy a shampoo, I buy big bottles because I will use them for a long time, and I use just a lot of them, so it's just worth it more. So the Pro V formula is the pioneering groundbreaking formula I was talking about. This is just the classic version, no extra addition to this one, and it's a shampoo. There's no conditioner in it, although there is a version which has shampoo and conditioner, so I might look into that later. And it says healthier hair in one wash. Should we believe this? Healthier hair in one wash? Well, in my experience, it's true. You just need one wash and you will feel the difference in your hair. It becomes smooth, it becomes flowing, it becomes luxurious in a way, and people been making comments like, wow, your hair looks so shiny, so good. I'm like, thank you. And I use Pantene, and then they just look at me like, I feel like it's a big thing, because I like this product so much. Like, I brag about it to my friends, and they're like, you really bragging about your shampoo? We didn't give a damn about that. So let's see the back side. So Pantene Pro V Classic Clean Shampoo. Experience Pantene's extraordinary formula with unique Pro V nutrient blends. It's how people always try to sell their own products. This is no different with Pantene. But it says, nutrient-rich leather. Very true. It's a very thick leather when you are applying it to your hair. Effortless detangling. Oh yes, it detangles so well. And long-lasting shine. And I can attest to all these three elements that these are true, and as described, they act out this way in real life as well. It says the classic Clean Pro V system gently cleanses for visibly shiny, manageable hair. So what else is on here? At the directions it says massage into wet hair, lather, rinse, repeat, gentle enough for permed or color treated hair. For best results, use with Pantene conditioner. Well, obviously they're trying to sell the conditioner with the shampoo, but I don't use the conditioner, only the shampoo, and I'm perfectly satisfied with it. And it is made in the USA. It is, I think, a US company, so overall I'm super satisfied with this product, and it makes my hair look really nice and really good. So I truly recommend this product to anyone who wants to dedicate a little more money towards, a shampoo. This product definitely worth buying it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you got some useful information out of this video.